Welcome to Vani ITI YouTube channel. Myself Srinivas Daripalli. So in this video we will discuss about the industrial safety signs and symbols. This is related to electrician as well as other states also in ITI. Industrial safety signs are played the important role to reduce that accidents and controlling the accidents and eliminating the hazards from that industries and industry units. The main objectives of industrial safety is to prevent the accidents, to eliminate the accidents, to achieve the lower workman compensations, and to prevent the loss of life also, workman life, loss of life also. So, as per industrial workman, every ITI student should be know that the safety signs of symbols about the industries. We always observe that what are the signboards are available on boards, and we will proceed with that instructions of the boards in industries. So we have that 6 types of that signs. So first one, prohibition signs, second one, mandatory signs, third one, warning signs, and fourth one, information about the safety condition signs, fifth one, fire safety signs, sixth one, safety labels. So these are very important to operate the industrials. So basically electrical safety signs are very important for electrician students. So we have to proceed that work. We must and should observe that signboards. So here we can easily classified about that what is that mandatory signs and warning signs and prohibition signs and safety conditions. So mandatory signs means must obey, nothing but must we have to follow. So which are displayed that blue color background with white symbols. Warning boards are give the information about warning boards information about the risk of danger and hazard head, which in which the boards are available in a triangular shape with a yellow background. Next one, prohibition signs. So here prohibition signs gives that information about that you must stop that any particular job at particular area. So nothing but example, no smoking and not allowed like that. So which are all available in red color with white background. So fourth one, safety conditions. Safety condition signs gives that information about that safety conditions, means uh, whenever a accident occurring, then it's give the information to exit. Those signs are available in nothing but safety condition signs are available in green with a white background, green color with white symbols, green color with white symbols. So in this slide we can easily identify that what is the shape, color of the different signs and shapes. So prohibition must and should in red color with white background, and mandatory signs blue background with white color in circle shape, and warning signs yellow background with triangular shape with blacks context, that I mean symbols, black symbols. Fourth one, information signs, so which are available in green color with white context, white symbols. So here another new signs is available, nothing but the fire safety. So those are also give the information about fire accident. Here we can prevent fire accidents with this fire safety symbols, so which are available in red background with white context. So here we can observe that some examples of prohibition, mandatory, warning, safe condition signs. So here you can observe that first prohibition signs means meaning you must not do, not do or stop. Means we cannot allow that any person or some action, nothing but smoking and drinking like that. So no dirty clothes, we must wear that neatly, neat dress or like that, uniform like that. So provision signs are available in red color with like that. So some provisions signs give that information like that, no admittance and no smoking and no dirty clothes. Second one, mandatory signs. So mandatory signs, you must do, carry out the action given by the sign. So must and should we follow that rule. So those are available in blue background. It means obey. Obey means we have to do, we have to follow. So keep clear, head protection must be worn, wear the gloves. So those are the mandatory to entering that some working place are like that. So third one, warning. Warnings is a caution of risk of danger or hazard ahead. So those are available in triangular shape with yellow background with black construct means symbols. So those are gives like that danger, high voltage, the fault symbol is there in a triangular shape, and the danger, mind your head, some have that danger at up top of your head, and the danger front lifts in the operations. So like that it gives that the information in industries. So fourth one, the safe condition. The safe way is where to go in the emergency whenever occurring that some accidents or any hazards, then we can easily escape from that hazards. You can follow that green color boards information. So those are available in rectangular shapes with green background with white construct, white symbols. So those are examples is the first aid station, emergency phone, emergency exit like that. So this slide gives that much more information about that science, the exact science of industries. So here the more important of electrician danger signs are available. So as per the electricians, we must know that these information about that danger plates means science plates with warning plates. So the voltage warning labels, electrical voltage symbols, the danger of death from the electricity warning, the switch off that when we use, and shocking warning, high voltage warning, overhead cables warning, live wires warning, crash and buried current cables warning, main voltage warning. So like that we have that some danger plates with triangular shape. Here's some examples of important signs and symbols which is used to easily find it to working place. So this is the symbol slide of the left in the green. Green means safety symbols, and red means fire exit and fire safety symbols. Yellow circle means we have to warning like that. Some danger is avail and a danger will be there. So like that these signs are give that information. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, ask in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.